Welcome to 7 Boats Academy. Right now we will discuss about what is called 301 redirect. Now if we see http7boats.com, so if you write here http7boats.com, if we click on this, now you see automatically this would be changing to www. So you see this, the URL has been changed to www.7boats.com. Now there is a problem if 7boats.com opens with www and also with only http, because every different URL Google tags it as different pages. So if www.7boats.com and http 7boats.com, those two URLs are different, but we can see the same homepage content. So Google will treat it as two different pages with the same content. So they will give the penalty of duplicate content. Duplicate content search engines don't like at all. So the ranking chance for this page 7boats.com, this home page, it would get degraded. It will not rank up to its best capacity, because the same thing, the duplicate content. So Google will treat the home page as two different version resides in www and also in http version, and so divide the marks into these two pages. This is one problem. The second problem is that if somebody is sharing on Facebook, say please visit www.7boats.com, and someone else is sharing visit http 7boats.com, so they are sharing two different URLs, but those are pointing to the same page, again the same content. So the link benefit, the popularity benefit that you are getting for 7boats.com is also bifurcated into two parts. So your SEO effort, whatever you are putting to get this homepage at Google SERP good rank, so it would be all in vain. So what we need to do, we have to redirect 7boats.com to www.7boats.com, or the vice versa. That means either www.7boats.com, you have to redirect it to http 7boats.com. It should not reside in both the version. So this is called 301 redirect. Now there are different other type of redirects that we call JavaScript redirect, PHP redirect, browser redirect. All these redirects, these are not valid for SEO. Only 301 is called the valid for on-page SEO. Now how to check whether a site is having 301 redirect applied or not? So for that we need to go to Google with a keyword search 301 redirect checker tool, and we see this is the tool. So we search here with http 7boats.com, and if we analyze it here, you can see the result. Congratulations, http 7boats.com 301 moved permanently to http www.7boats.com, and 200 OK. That means it's a server response code. That means the website is opening fine. So if we check with the different server response code, we can see here 200 means OK, 301 is moved permanently, 302 is moved temporarily, 403 is forbidden, 404 is page not found, 500 is internal server error, 502 is bad gateway, and 503 is service unavailable. So these are the most common server error code, server response code. We should not bother about all these codes, but 301 is called the moved permanently, and this is the most SEO friendly thing to do the 301 redirect. Now the question is how to do the 301 redirect. We can do it in two different ways. One is called, we say, the hosting panel from your hosting cPanel, and you can go to redirects tab and you can do it. Another one is called, that is a very important file, that is a hidden file is there in your root folder. we denote root folder in server like this. Mostly the root folder is having different name like public underscore html, or this is called www, or this is called http docs, or this is also called yours domain name, like this way. So we can denote root folder in different ways. If you use FileZilla, the file transfer protocol FTP client, to connect to your remote server, you can see these file names there, these folder names there. These folders are called the root folder, and in this root folder there is one hidden file, a .htaccess file. You can write there rewrite rules. It's a development part, and you can do the 301 redirect from that part. But from hosting cPanel, the redirect tab, it is pretty easier to do the 301. Normally 301 redirect is applied for the whole website in a domain level. So we can check it out over here. So we are going to testedrock.com. It's the cPanel here. So we have given the username and password. Now you would log in here, so you can get a view of the cPanel. Now we can go to redirects tab. Now we can see here this is the redirect tab. So you click on the redirect tab, and here what you can do, this is the type, and you can move http then your domain name, and redirects to, you write it http. If you want to redirect it from testedrock.com to www.testedrock.com, so the redirection would be with or without www, and you can just add it here. It's a very simple step. So you have to select the type, then you have to write here, select the domain name, and then you redirect it to the actual URL you want to write here, and you select this redirect with or without www, and then you click on add. Automatically what will happen, in your .htaccess file, automatically this rule would be written so that your http testedrock.com should be redirected as a 301 redirect to http www.testedrock.com. So this is called 301 redirect, and it is very important for getting maximum SEO benefits, so that it should not be bifurcated, the content duplication and as well as the link juice, so that you are getting at single point, single page. For that reason, it is the domain specific thing that you can do. Also for some other pages or folders you can apply it here, but normally we use it for a domain specific, domain level. Now if we check with .htaccess file, we can search in Google .htaccess file. So we can see the .htaccess file, how it look like. So you can click on it. So you can also write .htaccess file 301 redirect examples. So you can go here, you can click. So you see in Wikipedia what is called a .htaccess file. So you can see here. So this is a basic code. So you see here is an example using htaccess file to redirect to a non-www with a SSL attached to the domain. So this is basically you are redirecting it to a non-www version, that is HTTP version. So this is the rule, rewrite in gnon, and this is the rule. You can copy it and you can create a file .htaccess, and then you can upload it to your public underscore HTML folder, and then these things can be done. Or else you can do it from the web hosting panel, cPanel, the redirect thing that we have shown here. So in cPanel also you can search here. You can search here with redirect, so you can, easy steps, you can get the redirect. So you click on that, and if we check here, so you see force www version of the domain to be used. If you click on this, so this is your 3 lines of code that you have to copy and you have to create your .htaccess file. So it's pretty simple. If you Google it, you can get it there. So you need not to worry about all these technical terms like rewrite rule, rewrite engine. You just copy and paste it and create a .htaccess file and upload it via FileZilla software. It's a free software. Connect to a remote server and you can upload it. We can later module we can discuss about FileZilla and also in detail about cPanel. So as of now, I think 301 redirect is pretty clear to you. So thank you.